crate or unbox your Portacool evaporative cooler, you will need to get the model number and the serial number off the faceplate with the Made in USA displayed on it, so you can register your Portacool at portacool.com. Unwrap the power cord and plug in the Portacool into a standard 115 volt plug. Fill the water reservoir either manually or by connecting a standard water hose to the evaporative cooler. Turn on the pump and use the water adjustment valve to control the water flow over the cool evaporative media. Allow water to saturate the evaporative media without droplets spraying from the front of the Portacool. Once the evaporative media is saturated, turn on the fan and make sure you have a fresh air source such as an open door or window. At the end of every day, turn off the pump 15 minutes before you turn off the fan. This will dry out the cool evaporative media and help prevent buildup of mold, mildew, bacteria, and other odor-causing elements, and extend the life of your cool evaporative media. The heat is gone, and now it's time to winterize your Portacool portable evaporative cooler. Make sure to unplug your Portacool, wrap the power cord securely around the brackets to avoid tripping over the cord or getting tangled in the wheels. Move the Portacool to a location where you can drain the water by removing the drain cap located underneath the Portacool. Once the water is drained, make sure the cool evaporative media is completely dry. Remove the black flap from the back of the evaporative cooler. The flap is attached at the top of the evaporative cooler with screws. Remove the screws and set the flap aside. All cool evaporative media must be removed before accessing the inside of the evaporative cooler. Always remove the center set of the media first by grasping at the top and tilting it out towards you. While tilting the media out, lift it up and out of the base of the cooler. Remove the remaining media in the same manner. Once all of the evaporative media has been removed, you should have access to the inside of the evaporative cooler. Wipe down the inside of the water reservoir and the inside of the cooler. Replace your cool media by beginning on the outer edges and working towards the center. Pay close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrow stickers should point up and inward to make sure your media is installed properly. Replace the media flap, securing it with the screws. Store in a dry area, but don't forget your Portacool protective cover. Portacool has protective covers designed for your specific evaporative cooler, available from one of our authorized distributors or online at portacool.com. If you have any questions, please contact our customer care team or fill out our contact form on portacool.com. Portacool is here to keep America cool.